What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Poco M6 Pro smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So for this testing purpose, we have set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz and we will use Xiaomi's Game Turbo application to play all of these games to get the best performance out of the device. So right now the battery percentage is 96. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here in the Game Turbo widget you can see we are getting around 120 FPS in the performance mode, 117, 118, 19. So as you can see, gameplay is very smooth and we are getting good amount of details as well. Once again we are getting more than 110 FPS most of the time, as you can see, so it's pretty nice for sure. Gameplay is very smooth. 3D graphics rendering is also quite nice, how smoothly the camera angles are changing. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Poco M6 Pro. We were getting around 120 FPS constantly and the gameplay was very smooth with good graphics quality. Now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default medium graphics is selected with medium frame rate. I can select high frame rate with medium graphics quality. If I go to low, then still the maximum possible frame rate is high, so I will select the medium graphics quality with high frame rate and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. And here you can see that we have downloaded the HD resource pack to get the best visual graphics on our device. So you can see how smooth is the gameplay. Here you can see that we are getting around 70 FPS. The gameplay is very smooth. As you can see, no frame drop or lagging is happening. Everything is nice and smooth. Graphics quality is also very nice. Once again you can see we are getting around 70 FPS. So this is quite nice for sure that we are getting more than 70 FPS and the graphics quality is good enough as well. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Poco M6 Pro. The graphics quality was good enough, we were getting 70 FPS and everything was nice and smooth. Of course, 120 FPS mode or the 90 FPS mode was not available at all, but still considering the price and hardware specs of the device, the performance was quite impressive. So now let's play Asphalt 9. Here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality with 60 FPS mode. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So you can see that we are getting around 60 FPS here. So the graphics quality is looking great. Also, if you have a look on the ground, and as you can see, we are getting 59 FPS, 58 FPS. So using the 60 FPS mode on high graphics quality, you will get around 60 FPS for sure. As you can see, gameplay is very smooth, graphics quality is nice, lots of detail in everything. This is looking really good. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on Poco M6 Pro, and we were getting 60 FPS as well. Let's close Asphalt 9 and now it's time to play the Mobile Legends. So here in the game setting of Mobile Legends, you can see by default high frame rate is selected and high graphics. I can select ultra graphics with high frame rate, and I can also select super frame rate with ultra graphics. So this is the combination I'm going to use to play Mobile Legends, and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. I'm not a good player of this game, so you will have to bear with me a bit.
The battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
And here you can see we are getting around 75 FPS. It's fluctuating between 73 to 77, 76. We can say at least we will get 70 FPS here.
First blood. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
So once again here you can see that we are getting around 75 FPS. Gameplay is very smooth. Graphics quality is good enough.
You have slain an enemy. You have been slain.
So you can get the idea that I'm not so good when it comes to Mobile Legends, but I just want to give you the idea about the gameplay, that how smooth it is going to be. And as you can see, graphics quality is good enough. We are playing this game on the highest possible graphics setting and it is looking pretty nice. We are getting 75 FPS most of the time.
Have been slain.
So I'm just going to leave it here because as you can see, I'm not so good getting killed all the time. So now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default HD is selected for the graphics and high for the frame rate. The HDR onwards are not available for the graphics. If I go to balance, then ultra frame rate is getting enabled. If I go to smooth, it's still ultra. So the maximum possible graphics combination is HD graphics with high frame rate, and I'm going to play the game on this and let's see how good it's going to be. So here the graphics quality is looking good enough. We are getting good amount of details, not super great but still good enough. If you have a look on the details we are getting on the costume of the character, the shadowing effect, the reflection of the light from the costume of the character, from the shoulder pad and all. And also if you have a look on the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting, the textures and everything. It's looking pretty good for sure. So you can see how smooth is the gameplay. 60 FPS is what we are getting here while playing PUBG Mobile on Poco M6 Pro. So once again you can see that we are getting 60 FPS here while playing PUBG Mobile on Poco M6 Pro. No frame drops or lagging is happening, gameplay is very smooth and we are getting good amount of details as well. If you have a look on the ground and the surrounding, it's pretty nice. And here we go. So I'm just going to leave it here and let's have a look on the battery status. So after playing all of these games for like 40 minutes, that's the duration of this video recording, the battery percentage moved to just 88. So battery performance is looking pretty solid and the device is not hot at all. It's not even slightly warm. It's exactly at the same temperature from which we have started playing the game. There is no warmth sensation even. So there is no heating issue at all. Battery performance is looking good and we were able to play all of these games on Poco M6 Pro without facing any issue. Of course, we are not getting the best FPS on some very high-end games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, but on Injustice 2 it was 120 FPS, on Mobile Legends it was around 75 FPS, 60 FPS on Asphalt 9. So considering the hardware specs and the price segment of the device, the performance is looking pretty good. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.